What's up, fools? I'm Lauren, the senior textile designer and portrait illustrator behind the brand Laurenlesleystudio. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I've been a designer for over 10 years and have designed textiles sold by Anthropologie, Target, Wayfair, and Overstock Online. And I'm here to help you get the creative career of your dreams by providing design tutorials for free and showing you how to grow your design business online. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and you'll get new videos, and definitely leave a comment letting me know where you're from. I'm originally from Spartanburg, South Carolina. Hopefully you can't tell too bad from the accent. But now I reside in Birmingham, Alabama with my adorable fiance. So if you'd like to check out my website, it's at laurenlesley.com. Lesley's with an EY. And I sell pre-made clip art, digital products, and offer design services if you're in need of any of those things. To get my free trend guide, click on the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.